Okay guys, this is a 2019 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum Edition. Rebuilt title, had rear damage. It's been my personal vehicle for the last year and a half or so. Do have snow tires on this. We do have regular tires too. They're probably about 50% tread, so 2 sets of tires on it. Side steps. VIN number. Get this thing to focus. 58,708 on the miles. Heated steering wheel. Four-wheel drive. Heated and cooled seats. Charging ports. It's got navigation. .360 camera. The climate controls. This does have the adaptive cruise. Automatic windows. This has dual sunroof. This does have 7-passenger here. A little scratch down there. Little crack right there. Power lift gate. The third row. Does have the Bose sound system in there. This bumper's a little banged up here. Not sure if we'll fix it or not. Check out all our deals at realdealauto.com.